So I'm done with my slime. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. It's a little blue, but that's okay. And if it's got flame beads in, that's because my other slime, well, it's crunchy slime, made flame beads. So, sorry about that. So we're going to start this. Apparently I'm going to get like one square, just put it into its rip it into halves, because it has like 2 parts. I think you can do it with tissues as well, normal tissues. And if one side's thicker than the other, mine do not separate well. Sorry, slime, it was sticking to me. Oh my god. It's actually like molding in. Apparently it takes like long for it to mix in, but I'm fine with that. Mine's actually not taking long, it actually feels like. And I think I made it a little activated too much. Like, it feels so soft when you mush it in. It's so nice. Now I know what people do all the time, because I was like, that's just kind of not really hygienic. Like, because like using toilet paper, like, come on. Been in the bathroom. And I was like, let's just try it. And now I know why people do all the time. It's not just because they're just like, they don't have any clay. That's why I'm doing it. It's because they like the feeling. Well, the reason why I'm doing it is because I don't have any clay. Actually, I do. But that's more for an Instagram video. So I'm trying to put this one in half. Well, at least try and put it in half. Now last time it wasn't really half. I think I only need like one more square and this will be like... So mine's not butty yet. I don't feel any like buttiness. But it's getting softer, you know, like, you know, spreadable. It's actually getting more spreadable. Might have been a little too thick, but basically why you put it in 2 is just so it's easier to mix in. But if you can if you got like big muscles, but I am obviously, you can do it with just the thick one without putting it in half. Cause you do you, cause if you're strong then I bet you can totally do that. It's actually made it not sticky. So if you've got sticky slime and you've got toilet paper, which you probably have, or if you haven't got toilet paper, which is the real reason why I haven't got toilet paper, you can use tissues. And not many people, some people don't have tissues, so if you don't have toilet paper, then you're stuck, you can't make butter slime. So for people that don't have clay like me, this is really good because it's makes it not sticky. But that's not my problem, because I make all mine too hard. I add too much borax, so that's not the case for me. I'm just doing this because I want butter slime. My favourite 2 types of slime, probably butter slime and crunchy slime. Actually, it's probably cold cream. I think I'm getting instant snow for Christmas, so after Christmas I'm going to be able to make cold cream slime and icy, wait no, not icy, wait, and snow slime, is it called? I think it's called icy slime. I don't know, I get mixed up with the icy and I don't know, I get mixed up. That's another half in, the second half in. Wait, there's a bit of the other half still on there. Oh, crap. Sorry about my language. I said crap, but you know, little kids might be watching this, so. And you're gonna, people are older than me, gonna say, you're only a little kid. Yeah, I know that, but like little kids might, but just like, you know, like 4 or 5. Because if I knew what slime was when I was 4 or 5, I'll be watching slime videos. So I'm not saying they're guaranteed to watch me, because why would you want to watch me? Like, look at me. So basically, I've done like 3, 4 sheets now. Comment down below how many sheets I've done. I'm bad at counting, and I forgot. I wasn't counting first. So this isn't sticky anymore, it's actually stretchy. Really stretchy. And it's actually getting like softer, you know. You can feel it getting softer. I feel like, I don't know if there's like tissue paper or it's just flame balls in it. So I'm going to try and take the flame balls out. Is there any more? No, I know. No, I don't. Slime balls everywhere. One of my pet peeves is when like they've got like really clean clear slime and then there's like one tiny bit of glare or one tiny flame bead. It's just like, please stop making slime videos. But I'm not going to stop, because at least I took them out. And people just leave them in there on purpose, probably. And I'm fine with like the pet peeve videos doing it, because they're purposely doing it. Like, they're purposely doing it for the video's sake, not to like annoy people. That's for like to get views, you know. And I love watching pet peeve videos. Oh, I'm gonna put one on each side. Oh my god. I should do like 100 layers of tissue paper, shouldn't I? So, I think I've got it. I think I've got a butter slime. Oh my god. It's just not mixed in properly, that's why. It's not fully. So, I think it's mixed in now. I'm gonna add some more of this because it's kind of it's kind of overactivated. So I'm just gonna add some of this. Sorry, my mum's just shouting at Jaden.
What? I'm doing now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Your room is my room, my room is your room.
My lively thing, I might have got low battery, so I'm gonna have to hurry up. And if it like goes off, that's why. I'm really sorry. But you know that it turned out great. And like and subscribe. Turn notifications on. And just enjoy the video. I'm forcing you to enjoy it. Right. This is great, but slime, it's not like the butteriest slime ever, but it's great if you don't have clay. And does it butter? Yes. Sorry, I don't have a knife. But it's a really nice blue as well. Actually, I'm gonna add some green because I want a green. Oh, locked. If the video goes off, sorry. My phone is charging. If you just believe. Sorry, I'm singing from Polar Express. Believe. Great song. I actually didn't even know the song. Like, I knew the song of Polar Express, like, the song, but I didn't know the words or anything. So, and then I joined choir, and then we had to learn the words, so. Well, she just taught, my teacher just taught us the words. we don't have like a choir teacher. We have like my teacher. I'm not gonna say name because like Carol. She like right, so I'm just gonna end the video though. So bye, see you next time.